Hey, what is up guys? John here at TEMU. Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the 2024 Motorola Moto G Stylus. Alright guys, in this video we're going to unbox this. We're going to see what we get inside the box. We're going to test out the phone and I'll let you know what I think of it. Alright guys, so this is the box it comes in, just like the Edge. It's a brown box, eco-friendly. We've got 2024 up top, Moto G Stylus 5G, Motorola branding on the bottom here. And we've got plastic-free packaging and Hello Moto on the side. All right, right out the gate, we have the phone. Put that off to the side. And in the box, wow, that's it. Got no user manual or anything like that. We've got SIM ejection tool, and then we have your charging cable, which is a USB-C to USB-C, and that is it guys. That is all you get in the box. All right guys, so this is the phone. It's coming in with a 6.7-inch screen that's POLED with up to 120 hertz refresh rate. That's pretty crazy. And we've got this in the Scarlet Wave colorway, which looks super clean. It pops like crazy. Look at that. Very nice. So we've got a 50 megapixel main camera. We've got some vegan leather backing on this thing. Feels nice and smooth. It's soft. Got some Motorola branding right there in the middle. We've got an aluminum frame. And we've got your volume rocker here on the right, power button, SIM tray right here on the left. On the bottom here, we've got your USB-C charging ports. We've got a 3.5 millimeter jack, so you can use a wired headset with these. So that's very cool, something you don't see very often these days. Got your speakers, and we've got your stylus. Just press on it, and bam, there it goes. Very cool. So just some quick specs on this phone. This is coming in with Android 14 right out the gate. We've got 8 gigs of RAM, 256 gigs of storage space. Once again, the screen is 6.7 inches. It is an POLED display with up to 120 hertz refresh rate. And that main camera, once again, it's a 50 megapixel with OIS. And we've got 30 watts of fast charging on this phone with up to 30 hours of battery life, they say. So the phone has a 5,000 milliamp battery, and also the phone does support external memory up to 2 terabytes. So that's awesome. That's great. So yeah, let's turn this bad boy on and see what it looks like. We've got Hello Moto, powered by Android. All right guys, so we've got the phone set up, and this is what the screen looks like. It is a very, very nice screen. I like the fact that it is flat versus the curved on like the Edge. I feel like it's easier to find a good screen protector when it's flat like this versus the curved edges. So here we go about the phone. Again, we've got 8 gigs of RAM, and then we've got 256 gigs of storage. In the camera system on this phone, we've got a 32 megapixel for the front camera. We've got the rear main camera at 50 megapixels plus 13 megapixel wide camera. And the display is a 24 by 1080p. This phone is coming in with Android 14 right out the gates. It'll only have one software update, so it's only going to have up to Android 15, and then you'll get 2 years of security updates, I believe. So that's the biggest weakness on the Motorola phones, is that their software support isn't very long. A lot of people switch out their phones every 2 years or so. But I think it would be nice if the software support was a little longer. But let's check out the display real quick and check out, did I miss it? The refresh rate, there we go. Right now, it's on auto from the factory. You've got 60 and 120. We're going straight to 120 hertz, guys. All right, let's try some scrolling real quick. Super nice and smooth. Very nice. 120 hertz, guys. So that is very cool. So this has the Snapdragon 6 Gen 1. So not the strongest chipset, right in the middle. And Antutu is, here we go. Let me check this out real quick. So we've got 569,035 for Antutu. So again, right in the middle, guys. Not going to be the best for gaming, but it'll be able to game. It's similar to the Edge, and that had no problems playing games like Call of Duty Mobile, PUBG, and things like that. I'm sure it'll be able to play Genshin Impact, probably not at the highest settings. Tone the settings down a little bit. You shouldn't have a problem playing Genshin, but it is buttery smooth, guys, going through, well, scrolling up and down like that. So yeah, let's test out the Stylus. You've got Write Note, Moto Note, screenshots, freeform, GIF maker, handwriting calculator. All right, let's try this out. So it works good, man. Maybe not the best at making periods, but lines. See that? It didn't pick up the period right there. You saw that. So one of the weaknesses is that you can't really do periods. Got to kind of hold it there for a little bit till it registers. But just regular writing, no problem. I like that. So yeah, the Stylus works great. Not the best for making periods, but other than that, no problems using it. And I just noticed something too. So this has a Ready For, where you can connect it to a monitor, external screen, and add a keyboard and mouse, and you'll have your own little PC, just like Samsung DeX. And man, for the price point of 250 bucks, this thing has a lot of bang for your buck.